Hey y'all, it's Goode and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you this bomb Flexi rod set, and I'll show you all the products I use and how I achieve these big voluminous curls on the first day. So let's get into it. Alright, so I started by washing my hair with my Trader Joe's shampoo, and then I took my conditioner from Aussie, and it's to control frizz, and that's very important for this hairstyle. I'll also be using my leave-in repair cream conditioner from Cantu, some oil, this one is from Millie Organics. Of course, I'll be needing some foam mousse. The one I'm using today is from Cream of Nature, and I absolutely love it. And what would a hair tutorial be without a Y2 comb and a paddle brush? After washing and conditioning my hair, I'm just sectioning it in 4 big sections so that I can put some oil and my leave-in repair cream in my hair to make sure it is moisturized before I begin doing the flexi rods. Okay, so after doing a little bit of maintenance to my hair, I'm going to take one of the sections in the back and make a smaller section, still a pretty good size. Make sure it's detangled and apply the mousse. So for the 2 big back sections, I'm going to be using purple and gray flexi rods because they have a wider width. And I'm just going to wrap my hair around it, but I'm twisting my hair as I'm wrapping it. I hope you can see that in my clips. So for each section, I think I had about 4 to 5 flexi rods, and I'm just, making sure I have the mousse applied and then wrapping my hair and twisting the hair as I apply the flexi rod. Okay, so it's the next day. As you can tell, I applied the blue and orange flexi rods to the front 2 sections of my hair because they're a little bit smaller in width. But now we're getting ready to take them down. I think I had the flexi rods in for about maybe 12 hours. Just making sure my hands have a little oil on them so that when I start to take down and separate the flexi rods, my hands aren't dry and my hair doesn't get frizzy. So I'm going to take them all down one by one. I keep missing some. I left like at least 3 in my head without even noticing. But I'm just going to take them all down first before I begin to separate. So after I finally take out every single flexi rod, I just begin to stretch the hair and let it separate naturally. I'm not forcing the curls to separate. I'm just going through my hair very lightly to pull it and just continue to play with it. This part took me probably 10 to 15 minutes because I just am difficult and I want it really big and voluminous. I don't really like my curls tight. Of course, I use a pick because they're absolutely necessary for volume. But yeah, you can just watch me play with my hair. Alright, you guys, so that is it for my Flexi rod set tutorial. I hope you love it as much as I do. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.